So as you can see, fans are teeming out of the Narendra Modi Stadium after India's epic win against New Zealand in the final that took place. With this, India have now become the first three-time champions. They have also won the World Cup at home and they have also beaten New Zealand. One jinx, three jinxes, all in one place, eliminated. But there was one more jinx that has gotten eliminated. The jinx of the Narendra Modi Stadium. Now, in this entire period of dominance, which started from 2023 and in 2026, only 2 ICC losses. But those 2 ICC losses came right here at the Narendra Modi Stadium. November 19th, 2023, and what happened against South Africa. Now, when India wanted to play the final at the Narendra Modi Stadium, Pat Cummins took the picture of the wicket. India opted for a slow but black soil wicket. And what happened? India fell into that trap conveniently and Australia made you pay. November 19th was the scariest day and it scarred an entire generation of Indian fans. Cut to 2026, your 17-game ICC winning streak ended when South Africa defeated you at the same venue. Both times it was skill and the mindset of the Indian cricket team that made you lose. But who took the blame? The Narendra Modi Stadium. Now, there were a lot of offensive memes that were going around. Some Twitter users said that, look boss, they urged Donald Trump to dig up the stadium so that you could find oil underneath. There were some things that, oh, this stadium is not good for Indian cricket. This stadium is not good for Indian cricket's development. But what you saw today on March 8th, 2026 was the culmination that yes, mindset was the key factor, not the conditions. Conditions, yes, black soil, India's stroke play just wasn't up to the mark. But with a red and a black soil wicket, India played to their advantage and they notched up 250. And because of that, India has notched up a grand win at the Narendra Modi Stadium and become the first three-time champions in history. So yes, this is an epic moment in the history of Indian cricket. You are now become the first team in the history of the sport to win 3 consecutive ICC trophies. Not even peak Australia, not even peak West Indies ever achieved that. Surya Kumar Yadav, Gautam Gambhir, it is a culmination of their greatness. And that is why now the Narendra Modi Stadium will forever be dissociated with memes. It will forever be dissociated with bad luck. It will now be associated with the only way that yes, Modi hai to mumkin hai, because at Narendra Modi Stadium, you have indeed seen the culmination of something which is truly remarkable. India has reached the zenith of their cricket on March 8th, 2026, right here at the Narendra Modi Stadium. Thank you so much folks for joining us for this video. Subscribe to Sports Today for all the latest news and analysis.